Well, such a good idea. Have we got a cigarette lighter?
There's one there. Next year.
Beautiful. Fishing tip lighter. Can you just open that up for me? I was concerned about them rolling, but I just put a straight hook in it, and it was so simple. Yeah, well, that's the first thing, you just take all that slime off them. I used to go down when the aniseed comes out. I used to go down and just rub them in the aniseed bush.
Yep.
That should get better. Right. So now we want to create the frog. So we want to put them both up like that. So their eyes are like that. Okay. So we want the body to join there. You know what I thought you'd call them? The rubber?
What?
Froglies.
Froglies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, think about it. They're froglies. 2 atomic paddle tails. I'll just use the knife first time, yep. That cut through I want. And I just want to get the same tail. Yep, so I want to cut this one the same. You had lunch yet?
No.
I was amazed at the action it got. And you think, well, this rain, frogs are going to work. And they say they just, like you got the one head again.
Yeah.
This is the only bit that I haven't worked out. We're going to have to work a hot knife or a soldering iron thing.
And just like a grill plate.
Yeah.
Hold it on.
Yeah. I start at the head, at the body. So I'm out this one. They take a while to set, so you can, once you've got them melted, you got time. So you can really get it going. Then the next step's just to join the two together. Just sit here. So I'm just going to hold them together for a while. This is where if we had a hot knife or like a little grill, you'd time it perfect. And they take a while, like to set. So
yeah,
it starts to set now. I'll just sit that back on there. Oh, here. You get the picture. Right, so there's our frog partially. Work on this head now. Remember when I showed you sort of at a flat head? So I'm just letting that weld in now. The last bit, see the legs is split. Can you just hold that leg gently? And what I'll do is just light all this up. Alright, show it them. Probably should wear a breathing mask. That's just slowly setting. And you can see it's like fully welded all the way down.
Yeah.
Right through. Yeah guys, I'm only coming through. Come on, the rest of you's out you go. Come on, I see you over there. You're alright. Come on. Just got to talk to these guys so they know I'm not going to bother them too much. Skippies everywhere. What I'm trying to do is walk down and meet the tide. So where the car was, the tide was just stopping. The water colour looked terrible actually, so I'm hoping things improve as we come down. Oh, there's lizards in there. That could be good. It's not the nicest of colours, but I'll just have one cast here, but I'm going to walk down and meet it, get that running tide. Get work this as I come back up. Hopefully there'll be a foot or so of water and a bit of run on it. No way can this camera hear or capture what I'm listening to right now or looking at. The whole world's waking up. The tide's just starting to run in here. Look at that, and the kangaroos have mowed the lawn for me. It's just starting to flow in now. I'll pretty well stop here. I might go a bit further yet. But if they are in here, they'll show themselves in the next sort of half an hour. There's a little bit of movement around. Oh, now what was that? What was that? Oh, it's moving everywhere here. Straight away now I've got to do a lure change. They mightn't be bass, but they also might be. Something down there. Turn you off and do a few lure changes and see if we can get a... there, straight away. That was my fault. I was already giving up on the lure. That was a big bass. Wow. That was bad fishing by me. That was a good fish. Yeah, you didn't get the hook in him. He said it and have another go. So that movement was bass. This tide is bass o'clock. What I might do is a really reddy colour water. There's a nice fish, so he'll be in a gang. Try a different colour. Not happy I didn't set the hooks on here. He's a really nice solid fish to start the day with. Moving more. Oh there, boy. Stress relief. Look at that. I needed that. It's been 2 weeks since I've gone for a fish. And I drew one fish straight away on a cicada type plastic. And couldn't draw another one, so I switched to, just then, to what I call my Frogley. It's 2 atomic Plazos from Frogley's. So I just cut a little slit out of both of them. Just let little bass go first. See you, buddy. Thanks for that. Just cut a little slit in them, heat it up with a lighter, and turn my 2 little paddle tails into a frog. And there you have it. One little bass from it. We had some fun this morning. Stress relief. Yeah, I've got this thing where I've just, every rubber frog I've ever used has been a bit of a dud. And I just recently got it in my head that the best frogs that I've been getting results with, I'm stuck in, have been crawfish. so I turned all my crawfish into frogs, and then recently I thought, well, I just plastic weld 2 paddle tails together, and there you have it. A little frog. Same spot. Oops, now I've got to get down and get him. Just give it 5 minutes, come back with a little frog, and have a look at that. I was that slow on it, he swallowed it. Oh, I've lost my frog. Nice silver bass too, it means he's just come in off the river. Hey, one of my mates. Just get this hook out. Come on, okay, here, settle in. Cracking barb on these hooks. Okay. There you go, buddy, see ya. Now, I have to go back and make another. I did one more frog here that I made up, but I can quickly go and make some more up. So, different colour frog. There's more in there. I'll leave that for a while though. Okay. You can also see how the water's really starting to run here, and that's why we walked down from the car down here. The plan is to fish back with this run. So every time we come across a set of snags now, we could find another school of these fish, because that's definitely a school here. Alright, I'll keep working my way up. Alright, the white frogly worked too. Hey, little fish. Let's see, we got the pattern, 2 fish out of that timber, so I'll come up to the next lot of timber. Here's this guy. And look, we're fishing right in the heart of it. And they're coming up and belting these little homemade froglies. Just let you go first, buddy. We call them froglies because we're making a frog out of 2 paddle tails that we buy off froglies. So I haven't got the head of this one right yet. But that's 3 fish in 5 minutes. Just working them along like that. I haven't been running the camera because there's not much battery life, but I think I got that one first hook up, so I'm not too worried now. I'm just having a bit of fun. Right. Often the bass is just an excuse for me to get down the creek. I haven't been down this one yet this year, so I'm just looking for my asparagus. What I do is every year I cut down a patch of it and it starts to sprout again. Here we go, there's some over here. So this fairy stuff here. It's all wild asparagus. Break these ones. I should have fresh sparrow up here in a couple of days. Haven't cut any of it back this year. These are crab apples now. Unedible, but there was a nice old apple tree back in its day.